Can you add real-time messaging feature to an on-demand app, like food delivery, home services, or ride-hailing, in just 5 minutes with no code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how. First, open the Tencent RTC console at console.trtc.io. In the console, select In-App Chat, click Get Started, enter your app name, and then click Create. Your new app is now created. After that, go to the dashboard where you can see all the apps under your account. Click the app you just created. On the app details page, you'll find the SDK ID and SDK secret key. These two values will be used later when configuring MCP. By the way, in addition to in-app chat, you can activate more audio and video product capabilities on the same page. All new users receive 10,000 minutes of free audio and video usage. For example, here we activate the call free trial. When you return to the dashboard, you'll see that this app now supports both chat and call. Similarly, you can also enable trial versions of Conference Live and RTC Engine to support further testing and experimentation. Next, let's configure MCP in Cursor. Open Cursor Settings, go to Tools and MCP, and paste in the configuration code. I'll include the official documentation link with the MCP configuration. Then, fill in the SDK App ID and SDK secret key you obtained earlier and save the settings. Once saved, you'll see that Tencent RTC MCP is running successfully. At this point, you're ready to start building a chat app with real-time communication capabilities. This is a food delivery app called Foodly. It includes home, explore, order, and chat pages. The chat module is not a real two-way conversation. It is based on predefined auto-replies. Now I open this app in Cursor and enter the following prompt. Integrate the TUICallKit chat component into my existing app, Foodly, and make it accessible at /chat. Each restaurant in the app should be able to chat with users. I want to open 2 pages at the same time, user and restaurant, so they can have a real conversation. After it finishes running, I open the user and restaurant pages. When they send messages to each other, you can see that real-time chat is now working. Next, I want to add video calling. I enter Add a Call button to the top right corner of both the user and restaurant pages. Integrate the TUICallKit component to enable voice and video calls between them. After it finishes, let's try to make a call. An error appears. Call failed. I copy the detailed error and send it back to Cursor so it can fix the issue. Now it seems to be resolved. Let me try calling again. Great, the video call is now working too. This is Tencent RTC MCP. All real-time chat and live streaming functionality is handled by Cursor and MCP.